Lesson Overview. Pivot tables become really powerful when you group dates and use the right aggregation for each metric. This lesson covers both turning a daily transaction log into clean monthly and quarterly views. Grouping dates. With a date field in rows, right-click any date inside the pivot. Choose Group. Tick the levels you want: months, quarters, years. Excel automatically rolls daily dates up into the buckets you tick. You'll see years and quarters appear in the rows section with collapsible groups. Grouping numbers. Right-click a numeric row field. Group set, starting at, ending at, by. For example, 0, 1000, 100 to create age bands, price bands, or score bands. Grouping text manually. Select a few row labels with Ctrl+click, right-click group. Excel creates Group 1, which you can rename. For example, Tier 1 customers. Choosing the right aggregation. Click a Values field, Value field settings. Sum totals, revenue, units, hours. Count how many rows. Orders, customers. Count numbers, only numeric entries. Average mean order value, response time. Max, min extremes. Largest order, earliest date. Product, STDEV, VAR, statistical aggregations. Show values as comparison calculations. Same dialog show values as tab. Percent of grand total, share of total. Percent of column total. Row total, share within a column or row. Running total in cumulative totals over time. Percent difference. From growth versus previous period. Rank largest to smallest instant league table. Slicer plus timeline. Insert slicer for category filters. Insert timeline for date filters with a nice scrollable bar works only when the pivot has a date field. Try this. Take a daily transaction list and build. Year and month in rows. Group the date field. Region in columns. Revenue in values, summarized as sum. Then a second copy summarized as percent of row total. Insert a timeline on the date field and scroll through the months.